Ohayou gozaimasu. So we're making our Costco run. We just ran out of milk. Milk is usually the trigger for us, but before that, gotta get some gas at the Costco gas station. The gas price is $3.75 per gallon. I'm curious in the comments, what is the gas price where you live? Whether in the United States, another state, or in another country. I know it's liters, but maybe you could convert it. I'm just curious. After gas, we're gonna go get some samples. Oh. You couldn't come with me, but is this good enough? Did I tell you that you're beautiful?
No.
Oh, you are beautiful. Are you beautiful? I'm trying to keep you. No, that's not nice. Alright, so that gas cost us $92. I remember about a year and a half ago, it was $150. Now that wasn't quite a full tank of gas, but still. Hey, you ready for free samples? Let's go to Costco. Let's see what we can find today. This is a good sign when all the carts are parked, packed like this. That means there's less people at Costco. Oh, you can take off your jacket? Okay, here, let's put it up here. You gonna help me push?
No, I'm not gonna eat.
Oh, how about you just walk just for a little bit since you've been...
I'm not gonna eat.
Okay. I've never seen this, but they've got all the booze at the front and then snacks right afterwards. You know what's interesting about Costco is the strategy and the psychology that goes into where they place products. I'm sure you've noticed they move stuff all the time. So you're always walking around and that's how they get you. They'll put new products in places where you remember old products being to entice you. Can't let them trick you. Hey, do you get tempted at Costco? Yeah, you do. Did you buy that apple lumpia last time? You're the one that picked that, right? Yeah, last time you went with me.
Yeah, I like that one.
And, oh, you like that one? I know, we all did. Yeah, in the vlog on It's Judy's Life, we ate that apple lumpia, scarfed it down. It was amazing. You gotta eat it with ice cream though. Cantaloupe, mommy said get something that is already ripe. I'm assuming it's the orange bags, maybe. Let's see, is it orange down here too? I can't even lift that, that's actually pretty heavy. Let's grab them back here. I'm guessing the orange ones are more ripe. Oh, watermelon? Alright.
Mommy told me that.
Oh, mommy told you that? Okay. Yeah, we'll go through these quick. These have been pretty good lately. All done now. Let's go home. We're all done. Oh, samples. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get a box of apples. Let's take a look. Those look good. For juicing, we like the Fuji apples for juicing. What do you think? Are these good looking? Okay. You're gonna get that one? All right, so these blueberries are looking amazing. I don't know where these are from, but they're gigantic. Last few trips, man, big old blueberries. No, I gotta put them down because we don't want them to get bruised. All right, so last time they didn't have these, so we're definitely gonna get these green beans. Make a stir fry maybe with it. All right, so I always wonder about these pre-made dishes. Panera mac and cheese. I bet that's pretty good. I used to get these way back in the day, back in the condo days, chicken meatballs. Okay, baked scalloped potatoes. That sounds hella good. You guys remember that? Scalloped potatoes on this channel. It never got up, so you shouldn't remember. But on the vlog, we burnt multiple video shooting sessions. Literally, we had to bag them because I burned the potatoes. Do you like potatoes? No? What about french fries? Yeah. We need to do that again. Scalloped potatoes recipe. Irish stew. That does actually look good. Let me know. What do you guys buy here at Costco? The temptation. No, we're not going to get it this time, though it does look good. This is something I get here that's really good. Basil pesto. This is great for pastas. You can actually throw this into a bechamel with this chicken mozzarella ravioli, or for pizzas, I like doing a pesto pizza. Do you like Daddy's pesto pizza?
No.
Oh, you don't? What kind of pizza do you like?
I like cheese.
Oh, cheese pizza, yeah, of course.
Daddy,
Every kid loves cheese pizza. It's so boring.
Pasta.
What?
It can be and pasta.
Oh yeah, we put it in pasta, so you know all about that. That's good stuff. You know, I'm just gonna get this because it is so convenient. Like I said, you can mix it with that pesto and bechamel, or just a pesto. Or what we'd like to do is take a jar of Rao's and just toss it in there. The girls love that. So I was gonna buy Parmesan, and I never noticed the difference. So this is Parmesan Reggiano, and then you got Parmesan Reggiano Stravecchio. What is that? What is the difference? Tell me. Oh, aged for 24 months, aged for 36 months. I think I'm gonna go for this one since I did touch it, and it's cheaper. $10.79 for this huge block. That's legit. Baby Bell, cheese. Do you guys eat this stuff? You guys eat it? You do eat this? Okay, you want to hold on to that for us? Okay. We love our cheese. We're cheese lovers. I mean, I guess who doesn't love cheese, but we eat a lot of cheese. Cheese on pizza, cheese and pasta, cheese quesadillas, which we haven't done in a while, and then we even just snack on cheese. You gotta be careful, cheese will block you up, if you know what I'm talking about. Nacho cheese, this is one of our favorites. Hey, look what I see over there. What is that over there?
I know, purple.
Samples. Try it. Tell me if it's good. The kids. Actually pretty good. Let me ask you something. Is it just me, or does it always feel awkward when you get a free sample, but you don't actually grab the actual product? There's some tension, some pressure there. Ice cream that's not in the freezer. And look how light it is. I mean, like literally, it's just like it's super light. There you go.
What's that flavor?
Is that good?
All the good stuff.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Alright, so Costco's sushi game is halfway decent. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these. 26 bucks. We'll take it. And you already know, gotta get our dairy. Whole box. Yikes. Need a stretch. Look at how much toilet paper there is. That's pretty crazy. It goes all the way to the top. Judy said we need some toilet paper, so that's where we're going. Did you guys know that Costco makes their own toilet paper? They have a whole R&D department to make good toilet paper. It's pretty cool. That's how it's so much more cheaper. Is it cheaper? I think it is. This is 20 bucks. That's a lot of toilet paper. All right, so we buy our baby wipes from here too. Judy said we ran out of this whole box, which will last us quite a while. 720 wipes, 17 bucks. That's a good deal. I don't even know what it costs at other places, but I know it's way more expensive than that. All right, so we did get everything that was on the list and some. Real question. Should we still go down all the aisles and check what they have? Okay, all right. You said it. It was you. You made the call. Never seen these here. Panda cookies. Chocolate-filled cookies.
I like panda.
Oh, you like these ones? No, we don't need these though. I know it's tempting. Dang.
I like that one.
You like that one? I know. I bet you do. Oh, we still have all those Black Thunder, by the way, honey.
Daddy.
Go ahead. Throw it away. Throw it. There you go. Good girl. This is where they get you.
I like Delphi.
I know. All these snacks. That's why you shouldn't walk down the aisles after you got everything you need. Oreos. Wow.
I like
My mouth
Oreos.
is watering. Pre-cooked sticky rice. This is something they have in Japan. I never thought I'd see it here. But it comes in these little packs and you just stick it in the microwave. It says 90 seconds here. You've got yourself pre-cooked rice and it's actually decent. Oh, Share Korean flavor. Korean rice. I wonder what makes it different. In Japan, this is a big deal. They have all kinds of brands. And I remember seeing it in Japan the first time and thinking it was kind of weird. But then when we were traveling, I tried it, and it's very convenient because everyone has a microwave. You have to have a microwave in Japan because there's so many foods prepared for microwaves. In our next house, we're gonna definitely have a microwave. Oh, what's this doing here?
It's happy.
Okay. Anyways, don't be tempted. Just pass it. Deception. This girl, for whatever reason, when we come into this aisle, she's always asking for soda. And I just wanted to ask her, which one do you like better, Coca-Cola or Sprite? Sprite? She said Coca-Cola earlier. I don't know why. This aisle, which is just baked goods, vinegars, oils, makes her think of soda. Alright, so one thing I don't really buy a lot of here at Costco are spices. I had some East Indian friends and they would grind their spices every time they're gonna cook. And they couldn't even imagine buying spices like that. And let's be honest, no one finishes those big bottles. They just sit there forever. Even though it is more expensive, ultimately, since you're not really using all of it anyways and you want it fresh, spices, buy it in the small bottles. That's something I definitely don't buy here. The only thing I do buy here though is salt and pepper and Italian seasoning because I do use that. So we are good on maple syrup, but they have this new stuff in a glass bottle, organic maple syrup, grade A. This is fancy. That ain't that bad though, $12.99. Product of Canada, that's the legit stuff though. America has some good maple syrup too. Another thing I prefer not to buy here is bread. Yeah, it's a good deal, but man, between my mom's sourdough, us eating pizza, I don't know, we rarely get through it, and sometimes we have, 3 or 4 that go bad. So I don't buy bread here. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and buy that. A good snack that's very healthy for you that I used to buy. Organic sun-dried figs. These are bomb. I just snack on these. If you got some plumbing issues, there's your fiber right there. All right, so this is another aisle. We try to avoid the snack aisle straight up. I thought I would just tease myself, and I see these. It looks healthy, and it looks very delicious. Oat bites filled with filling. I like anything that has jam in it or fruit filling. Okay, this is one snack that we almost always buy. If we were gonna buy snacks, this is good for the girls, but we're not gonna buy it this time. I know you wanna buy these snacks, but I'm trying to teach you to be disciplined and have self-control, okay? Yeah, I know it's boring, but it's important so we don't just buy things that we don't need, especially if we already have food at home. You want apples at home?
Money.
I told her she had to get out and help me push. She wants a chicken bake. I don't mind. Chicken bake, $3.99. Pay for order. Dang. There's a lot of chicken bakes. Normally this is not completely full, but we came at a good time. Go ahead, that's ours. Be careful, 2 hands, okay? Hold it with 2 hands. Give me this. Hold that with 2 hands. Come on. She's so mature now. Go ahead, sit down. You can snack on it while I load up. What does that look? Go ahead, eat it. This is what I want. Probably gonna eat this on the way home. Okay, here you go. Oh, you've been eating it already. Let me have a taste of this. Put it right in your cup holder, okay? I'll go. Little taste of that sushi. Look at that. I'm not gonna take Judy out to Costco Sushi for dinner, but a little snacky snack. Boom. 5 out of 10, honestly. I mean, it just kind of like satisfies somewhat of a craving. Drum roll. Wrong receipt. Total $179. That's less than we normally spend. But I didn't buy any meat. That's the big one. Meat is expensive. There's just a bunch of stuff that we don't buy at Costco. As much as I like the savings and the quality and the convenience, vegetables we don't buy here for the most part. I know I buy green beans, but daily vegetables, they go bad fast. And unless you're going to use these giant packs, yeah, we do buy meat sometimes, but I just like to buy what I'm going to cook with. Kombucha. They did have kombucha there. I should have bought it. I don't like food just sitting forever in the refrigerator. All right, you want to go home? Chicken bacon. They took the green onions out though. Costco, come on now.